Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can send photos and videos to your friends or colleagues in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone. After that, what you need to do is click on the chat or click on the person who you want to send the photos and videos to. Go ahead and select it and you can see the photo option. Go ahead and tap on it. And as soon as you tap on it, you can see the photo gallery will appear. But if you want to skip this, you can do this. Go ahead and click on the plus icon and you can see the gallery icon as well. On the left corner, go ahead and tap on it. Now you can see all of your gallery. You can go ahead and select the photo which you want to send and click send. After this, you can click on send once again, or you can see the media quality option and the pen and the rotate option over here as well. With this, you can edit this image and you can send this image to your favorite people, your friends or your colleagues. So you can also set how many times the photo can be viewed. You can write the caption to this and then you can click on the send button and the photo will be sent. And same goes for video. Click on plus, click on gallery, and you can go to camera and select the video of your choice. After you select it, click send and you can see some videos. You can also play it and then click on send. If you want to send it in the SD quality, make sure you enable the SD function. So this is how easy it is to send photos and videos to your friends and colleagues in Signal. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.